Now let's explore how to use the Ophaya Writing Board. The board interface includes control for pen color, line thickness, voice recording, and the next page function. There's also a one-click clear button, battery compartment, and the screen lock switch. Once the Smart Pen is connected to the Ophaya Pro Plus app, all controls become active. Before using the board, replace the ink refill with the black plastic nib refill. Let's see how the board syncs handwritten content to your phone. Writing syncs in real time. To change the handwriting color, tap the desired color on the board. The change will appear in the app. To change line thickness, tap the desired thickness on the board. The app will update the line thickness accordingly. Tap the record icon to activate your phone's mic while you write. Tap the pause icon to pause the recording. Tap the stop icon to end the recording. Click the next page icon. The app will then switch to the next page accordingly. Press the clear button to erase all handwriting on the board. No partial erasing is not supported on the board. Here's a demo of how the app responds when tapping next page on the board. To avoid accidental deletion, you can turn on the screen lock. Turn off the lock button to enable one-tap query